everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in the Watch If You Dare close collaboration that is hosted by this bunch of awesome creative ladies. Of course, you have to do something Halloween related. So, I hope you know already my daughter and I are dumpster divers, so we find a lot of things in the dumpsters. And a while ago we found these two pieces, this one and this one, that of course they were supposed to be together, but the screw was not here, so there was no way to join them. And this was the original finished, so I spray painted this, and I bought this ball at Dollar Tree. This was the original color, kind of fuchsia. I heated this tube on top of a candle till it was heated enough to make a hole in the bottom of the bowl. You can see here the piece that was broken. So I pushed it into the bowl and I got it fixed to the bowl. So I spray painted all the pieces with my favorite paint, which is this Rust-Oleum stone texture finish. I love it. I've used it in so many projects, and I had to give them 2 coats to get the finish. And I'm going to make something, fingers crossed, it's going to be as I envision it. First I was looking for a screw that I could use, and I couldn't find one that really was thick enough. As you can see, this is loose, so I'm going to glue it with a bit of E6000 and a lot of hot glue. So let me do this. I'm going to add E6000 here. Let me cover it. Like so. And hot glue all around, just to make sure. I need another stick. I'm being really generous because I need this to be perfectly adhere. So now I'm going to let this dry. Well, I don't know. Okay. I didn't plan on this, because if I turn this way, the glue, no, it's going to be okay. I'm going to add some hot glue here also. Okay, I think it's going to stay in place. Oh, it's moving. Well, let's keep it in place. I've lost the protector for my thumb. I don't know where it went, so I'm using this other one. So let's hold it in place for a moment till the hot glue dries, and I think that's okay. So let's move on to this piece. I want to add a lot of hot glue here, but I don't want to fill the whole tube with hot glue. So what I started doing is I picked this floral foam and I pushed the tube So all this piece is inside the tube right now, but I want more, so I'm going to repeat this with another piece of foam, like so, till it shows from the other side, and then I'm going to remove it, and I have more floral foam inside the tube. I think it's enough. I hope it's enough. Yeah. So now I'm going to add a bit of B6000 inside the tube, and hot glue. Oops, I made a mess all around this screw. So now I'm going to insert this here, and hopefully it will look as I want it to look. Fingers crossed. Okay, let's turn this over, and here we have it. Oh, sorry, my hot glue got unplugged. I'm going to plug it again. I'm adding more hot glue here, and here, to make sure that everything is perfectly adhered. So now, next step is I'm going to fill this in with the same foam that I've been using in past projects. I hope you remember them. I lost another protector in the floor, on the floor. Is this sealant foam that I'm obsessed with, and I'm going to fill this bowl with the foam. As I said before, this came broken, so I fixed it as best as I could. I had no time to return it because I needed to film a video, so I'm using it as it is, as you can see. Oh my god, it's hard. It comes out in different ways because of course it's not working properly. So I hope I will get the result I need to get. Oops. Okay. Now I need to give this foam time to dry, to settle down, and then I'll be back and I will show you exactly what I want to do with this. Well, now the foam is almost dry. It needs a little bit of more time, and also the E6000, but I want to finish the project. I've been decorating the borders. I'm going to add this last skull here. I use these skeletons from Dollar Tree. They are a garland. So I added skulls all around this side, as you can see now. Let me show you a close-up. this is what I've done. I added skulls all around, and I cut the legs of the skeletons and the arms. I hope you can see them here. I cut the arms and I glued them all around the top border of the bowl. It was really easy, and it gives it a creepiest look. These are the skeletons I used from Dollar Tree. Here are some of the remains of the bodies. It's really easy. With a pair of scissors, you just cut them. Sometimes you can even break them, just twisting them. And now I want to add this bird, and I want it to look like it's ready to drink from this beverage. So I've been rehearsing. It's going to be hard to get it to where I want it to be, but I will try my best. I will do my best. So fingers crossed I'll be able to glue it where I want it. So let's try. There is not too much surface for me to glue it, but I think that if I'm patient, and you too, and I wait for a little bit, I'll be able to glue it here. Let me turn this around because I want this leg. Here we go. It has kind of a wire, so I bent it for it to touch the border. I'm going to add some hot glue here, so it will stay there. If I could see what I'm doing, it would be great. Okay. I don't want it to get inside the fountain. It's a kind of a drinking fountain. So I'm going to add more hot glue here to keep it standing a little bit more. And I have to wait for a while. So bear with me. And now you can see what was, oh, you don't see, you can't see. Sorry, I can see, you can't. This is the idea I had in mind, like a drinking fountain for the crow, and I'm trying to keep it in place. It's not easy, but I'm getting there. So this is my idea. I hope you liked it, and I have a lot of hot glue around, and I will show you now how it looks from the front as usual. If you like this idea, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. I want to thank the ladies, the sweet ladies at Deco for this collaboration. I love them. Please visit their channel. They are unbelievable. They do so many beautiful things and arrangements, and so they deserve you to pay a visit. Also watch all the videos in the playlist, and please visit our dumpster diving channel, Dumpster Chicks, which is going to be linked below also. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.